We are 3 months into 2025. In fact, the first quarter is about rounding off. What if I told you that 2025 could be your breakthrough year, where you finally build businesses that will make you money while you're asleep? In this video, I'm about to reveal to you 5 trending business ideas that people are already making $10,000 from on a monthly basis. And the best part of it is that you'll need little or no upfront investment. Okay, so in no particular order, the first on my list here is faceless YouTube automation. Okay, do you know you can make huge income on YouTube or from YouTube without showing your face? Yes. Faceless YouTube channels are blowing up in 2025, and do you know the amazing aspect of it? It requires little or no effort with AI, or with help of AI, with lots of AI right now. You can create this faceless YouTube channels. And if you look at this channel has over 11 million views, over 10 million views. And if you look at this has over 20 million views. Now imagine the rate of income these channels make from YouTube on a monthly basis. And the most amazing part of this, that they are not showing their face. These are faceless YouTube channels, and kids watch this on daily basis. And do you know the most wonderful aspect of this? That you don't need any special skill. Okay? So there are so many AI tools that can help you actualize this. For your scripting, you can use DeepSeek or ChatGPT to do your scripting. Okay, for your voice over 11 labs, wonderful. Now if you want to base on children animated videos, there are so many AI tools. You can use the Midjourney, you can use Leonardo to generate your images. So many AI generating image generating tools that can help you generate these tools, and some will also help you to animate. They will generate the images and also help you to animate these images. Canva is another good AI tool that can help you generate images and also for animation. So there are so many AI tools for animating images and for generating images. Okay, the AI boom isn't going down, and smart entrepreneurs are making thousands of dollars selling digital products online. Yes, so another way to make huge income in this 2025 is selling AI powered digital products. So you can go ahead and ask me, what can you sell? Okay, you can sell AI generated kits and social media content packs. Okay, you can sell ebooks, low content books, templates, okay, cards, greeting cards, workbooks, planners, journals, so many things that you can prepare with AI. Okay, and you can sell this on marketplaces like eBay, Etsy, okay, Gumroad. Okay, you can as well go ahead and create your stand store and sell in your own store. So many platforms, Amazon, the KDP. So, and what's good thing about this is that you don't need to be a graphics designer, or you don't have to have special skills to create this. With AI tools like Canva, in fact Canva is one that I love using most. You prepare all this, you can make this with a free planner, with a free Canva. You can get all these templates, digital products, your ebook, your low content ebooks, your planner, the journal. You can get them ready, and you have your products to sell. And so we won't only stop at creating and going to these marketplaces to sell. Now, to make this market more profitable or to make it sell, you have to go to platforms like Pinterest, TikTok, okay, Instagram to market this product. So you have to do the marketing, because it's a marketing that will create the publicity. Because if you create without marketing these products, definitely they will lie there without anybody knowing it exists. So you have to go the extra mile, do the marketing. Use platforms like Pinterest, okay, Instagram, okay, your TikTok shop. You market these products and you see that you're smiling to the bank. Okay, now businesses need help integrating AI tools, and they are willing to pay top dollars for it. That is where AI consulting comes in. The next on our list now is AI consulting and automation services. Okay, now to acquire this knowledge, all you just need is to train yourself on these AI tools. You might not even need to pay any special money to train yourself to acquire this knowledge. If you go to YouTube, there are so many videos that will train you on how to use different AI tools. In fact, these videos will introduce different AI tools to you, and if you watch and follow the procedures on this video, it will also educate you and equip you on how to use this AI tools. So you don't need to pay special amount to get or to become AI engineer. So once you acquire this knowledge, what next? Okay, so once you acquire this knowledge, you start offering your services. Okay, you can offer services like training businesses on AI. So you train businesses on AI power content creation. Okay, you set up chatbot for businesses. You set up chatbot for businesses. You can automate email marketing and workflow for businesses. Okay, so these are some ways you can make money when you become an AI powered consultant. So you can charge within $500 to $5,000 per client on AI automation and offer monthly maintenance and consulting services for your current income. So you can decide to be a consultant for businesses, offering them monthly maintenance. Imagine making $500 to $2,000 per sale just by recommending digital products. Yes, this is what high ticket affiliate marketing can do for you. So the next on our list is high ticket affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing, like we all know, is all about promoting or recommending someone else's product via your link, and you getting paid a commission by the time someone purchases that product via your link. Now, high ticket affiliate marketing is all about choosing the right niche, choosing the right. Now, people prefer buying quality over quantity, and companies are paying big commission to affiliates. Now, the best niches to dwell on in this 2025 is AI softwares and automation tools, online businesses and finance courses, and you have high-end coaching and mentorship program. Okay, so the last but not the least, yes, print on demand. Now, if you follow me on this channel, you know that I dwell on this aspect a lot. Okay, so print on demand is one thing that will never be exhausted. Okay, so in 2025, print on demand products have been around for a while, but in 2025, AI powered design and personalized products are the next big thing. So what is it to sell? You can sell AI generated products such as t-shirts, AI generated t-shirts, mugs, home decor, so many AI generated designs that you can use on t-shirts, on mugs, on bags, on different home decors. Okay, so you can go ahead, design personal journals and planners. You know, people love it when it's personalized. Okay, so you can dwell on niches such as wedding. You can prepare wedding journals. Okay, you can prepare planners for wedding, journals for wedding. Now, you know, this is occasions that or an occasion that come up often, and people will definitely patronize you when you have planners, journals for wedding, maybe for baby shower or big birthdays likewise. So to start this, all you need is just to use your AI power tool. You can use your Canva, you can use your Daily, you can use your Midjourney to create this design. Okay, so you go ahead and sell these designs on Etsy, Amazon Merch. Okay, you can create your stand shop to sell this. Okay, so there are so many market platforms or marketplaces, Gumroad, eBay, Shopify, where you can sell these products and you're cashing out your cool cash. Okay, you don't just create these products, you as well have to do the marketing. So if you create these products without doing your marketing, you'll find out that you have low sales. So for you to have high sale, you have to go ahead and do your marketing. So you can go to platforms like Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram. Okay, you can as well use a Facebook to market these products, and you see your money rolling into your account. Okay, so if you want a step-by-step guide on any of this, please do let me know on the comments section so that I can make a full tutorial on this. Okay, so if you have really enjoyed this video, I want to learn more or get more insights on how to make money in this 2025, please do like this channel, or sorry, like this video, share and subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button for more interesting money making videos. Thank you.